Now that our cookies are decorated, they're finally ready to be baked. You want to put them into the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to stick these into the oven for about 7 or 8 minutes. If you're going to put more than one cookie rack in at a time, make sure that they're spaced evenly so that they're both in the center of the oven, and it's probably going to take an extra minute. So let's set our timer for 7 minutes to check. Now once the cookies are in, depending on your oven, how hot it runs, and the type of cookie sheet that you use, whether it's a non-stick dark cookie sheet or a lighter aluminum one, is going to make a difference in how long the cookies take. You want to make sure that the edges are a little bit brown, but that's it. It's just a light golden brown. You don't want to burn the cookies, and because they have a nice high butter content, that can happen rather quickly. So you want to put them in at 400 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes, checking probably after 7 minutes, and then we'll come back to them and see how they're doing.